Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I am at the Dollar Tree. I am looking for Easter items. It's time. You gotta start thinking about Easter. Decorations, filling the basket, candies, all that stuff. You stay with us. For those of you that are crafty, there's a lot to find at Dollar Tree. There's a lot of wood items that you can find and you can make. You can paint whatever it is you do. You can do them to these. It's really cool. Look at the baskets, the Easter basket, the bunny. That's a stronger wood. The other was more like plywood or cardboard. But some are bigger and some are smaller. That would make a great sign with a little painting. And look at that. The bunny trail. There's a lot here. Now down on the bottom you're gonna find some things that maybe you can use to put into an Easter basket, or maybe there's something else that you can use these for. Now those were very cute. You have something. Now when I saw those I thought they were like chocolate balls, but they're like little puffy balls that you would just put into something. Now here are some items that you can make Easter eggs. This one comes with all the stuff, and another one that I'm going to show you comes with all the items. You just need to buy one or the other. Now I bought both of them because I am going to make a video and show you both of them, how to do them. So make sure you watch that. Now over here you're going to find some more items that you can use for crafts. I don't know exactly what you want to make for these. There's the other one, the other Easter egg that I'm going to make, the other set. But some people are able to use these for their Easter baskets, for things to put in front of their house, all these decorative things. If you're very crafty, you can make a tree. Some people you make Easter trees. Now here are some more things to paint with. If you want to paint designs, there was a cute little paw. Here's some ribbons. Again, I think those are for Easter baskets. But it really depends on what you want to make. They are such cute little things, and you get quite a bit of those for $1. So if you're trying to make something, those would be great. And here is a bunny and some more soft balls, and then there's some more Easter eggs. They come on big long sticks. They were called toothpicks. They're really long for a toothpick. Look at this bunny on the pick. Very cute. So I would say those are probably for baskets. And here are some big soft eggs. Not real eggs, of course, just the soft fluffy kind, and some ribbon to finish the basket with. So if you're making a basket, you can go here and you can get a lot of things. I did not see any baskets. Now I did find that they had cards, 2 for $1 if you buy Easter cards, or if you have to send one to a relative. I never really buy Easter cards, but it's a good thing if you have a relative far away and you want to make sure that they know that you remembered them. And 2 for $1, hey, you're not going to get a better price than that. Chocolate. Who doesn't want to fill the basket with chocolate? Well, they have Easter chocolates of all different kinds. Whether you like the typical chocolate, something that looks like a bunny rabbit, some eggs. I always like those. I'm a big Smarties fan. I like those, at least I did as a kid. Right now they're a little sweet. Here is some more cute Easter bunnies, thick Easter bunnies. And you like that because I hate the hollow ones. And here, happy, hippie, hoppy, and handy or something. I couldn't get that last one, but there's 4. And then over here, if you're more religious and you want to cross, there's some chocolates like that. And I keep looking and finding, look at that. That looks like something from a Easter bunny rabbit. And I would say that it's probably jelly beans, but it's shaped like a carrot and it's orange like a carrot. So it's a fun thing to put into a Easter basket. Here's some more. Oh, here's another view of that. No, this is a different one. This one is actually looks like carrots. It's called powder candy. I don't know if you open it up and eat the powder inside, or you would eat that and powder comes out. I don't know. I always need to put some cute little plush in the basket, and this is some cute little bunnies. And then I found a cute little chick over there. When I was young, I used to get real chicks for Easter, but we had would grow up, then they'd be chickens. We had a chicken coop. Now here's some toys and games that you can put into the basket if you want to make it, it doesn't have to be just Easter. Maybe they want some kind of Barbie doll, or look at that, Easter Time Adventures, a coloring book, very cute. I also found these animals, and there's another one of those chicks, but they were different kinds with long legs. Their legs are kind of grabby. I like those. They're very nice to snuggle with. And of course, candy. Like these little eggs. Those are great little things to put into the stocking. And I found some others. I found fluffy stuff, cottontails, like Peter Cottontail. That's some kind of cute Easter candy. And I found even more, some Peeps over here. When I was young, Peeps were very popular. I don't really like Peeps, so I don't know why people are crazy about them. They're marshmallowy if you've never had them. Here is some chocolate, some more that are hard, and I'm going to show you this egg over here. This used to be my favorite when I was a kid, and it's because it's big and it's got peanut butter inside. Peanut butter chocolate, kind of like a Reese's. Very cute. Well, it's a dollar store, but now it's the $1.25 store, and I wanted to make sure you see that. And that's what I pretty much found for Easter. I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and hit the bell. Have a good Easter.